First, the USDA's Justice for All non-discriminatory statement, which simply states that all persons must be treated equally without regard to their race, color, national origin, sex, religious creed, disability, age, political beliefs, or reprisal or retaliation for prior civil rights activity, and that our institution provides an inclusive space for all. For more information on the And Justice for All statement, please visit the USDA's website.
Today's lesson is called Kids in the Kitchen. This information is provided by Leah's Pantry and delivered by the Department of Family and Community Health Sciences at Rutgers Cooperative Extension. In today's lesson, we will talk about how kids can help with food preparation. Kids gain life skills by learning to cook. They are also more likely to try foods that they help make. Giving kids jobs can make them feel important and grown up too. We'll start out with some safety tips for kids of all ages. Always wash hands before cooking. Use soap and warm water while singing the ABCs. Do not eat foods with raw egg. Have kids stand at the level of the activity. Use a chair if necessary to raise them. Keep knives out of the reach of small children. Put kid-safe plastic bowls, plates, and cups where kids are able to reach them. And lastly, choose kid-friendly recipes to cook together. If you need ideas, eatfresh.org has plenty of recipes for families. Toddlers are learning to use their arms and hands. They are able to scrub vegetables and fruits, as well as wash and tear greens. They can also help choose foods at the grocery store, and can sometimes carry unbreakable items to the table. Cooking with toddlers is great, but it can be very messy. It's best to cook right before bath time. 3 to 5-year-olds are learning to use their fingers. They can measure ingredients with help, mix wet and dry ingredients, spread peanut butter, cream cheese, or hummus. They can knead, roll out dough, and cut dough with cookie cutters. They can set, clear, and wipe the table. And they can peel some fruits and veggies, as well as hard-boiled eggs. They can also mash soft fruit and veggies, or cut with a plastic or butter knife. And they can juice oranges, lemons, and limes. Kids 6 and up can follow multi-step directions and start to experiment. They can begin to practice with real knives, always with supervision. They can make salads, including salad dressings. They can measure and follow increasingly complex recipes. And they can help with simple stovetop recipes, stirring scrambled eggs, flipping grilled cheese, or pancakes, always with supervision. And they can begin to experiment based on personal tastes. And they can also find connections between cooking and science and math concepts that they're learning about in school. Thanks for watching. For more tips and recipes about eating healthy on a budget, please follow us on Facebook and YouTube.